Hey everybody, it's Sean from GoPart.com. We're here today with this Honda CR-V 2003. We're going to be showing you how to replace the interior door handle. Fairly easy procedure. Take a Phillips screwdriver, flat blade screwdriver. Should be about the same for any 02 to 06. These little plastic handles will break just over the years. There's nothing wrong with ours. We'll go ahead and show you how to handle it. Fairly easy procedure, and we'll go ahead and show you how to do it. Okay, now to get this little panel out, there's a little tab on top. It can be kind of a pain to get to. You want to push in and pry down. There we go. So you got a little tab around the top there. It can make it really difficult to get it out. There's 2 Phillips screws behind there. Just go ahead and loosen and remove those. Got a little handle cover here. Now if you're just trying to replace your interior door handle, there's just a little clip on the back that we've got to disengage from the back of the handle here. You do that by simply prying up, sliding it over, and then you can lift that rod right out, and now your handle's out. Okay, now just a little clip on the back of your door handle here. There's nothing wrong with our door handle, so we're just going to put it right back in. What you're going to want to do is there's a little sort of L-shaped rod here, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to slide it down in the opening on the handle. There's a little opening there, and you want to snap that clip onto the rod. That's what makes sure the rod doesn't jump up and down on you whenever you're driving. Okay, so you fit the handle right in. Get your 2 Phillips screws there. Little trim panel, remember the little tab goes on top. Snaps right into place. And there we go. Easy as that.